Hello you guys. If you are new to my channel, then I am doing Vlogmas and this is, I don't know which day it is, but today I am here with a Nykaa haul. Nykaa and 2-3 products from Amazon. So there is a sale going on all the website, and if you want to purchase something, you can take recommendation. Also, if you don't want to purchase anything and you don't have the need to purchase any of this product, do not buy it. The sale season is just coming and going. It's a ritual every year, but you have earned that money with lots of hard work. So don't just get mesmerized with the sales. Spend your money wisely. And if you need any of this product, then only spend it on sale and not otherwise. So let's start the haul and open the first package. Now this is from Nykaa, and also there is a Nykaa pink sale that was going on, and oh my god, my nail. So also there is a Nykaa pink sale that is going on, and I don't know if it is still going on or not, but there were some good deals. Okay, so the first thing I got is okay. So the first thing I got is this Miss Clear silver white pencil, eye pencil, and I have seen someone, Anandita Chakravarti, talk about it. Okay, so the first thing is this pencil, white pencil, and I have seen someone on Instagram was using it. मम्मी की कुकर की सीटी नहीं बंद हो रही. Oh, so I saw someone using this white silver pencil, and it was looking so good on their eyes, like they have used in their waterlines. And this one is for rupees 65, very affordable. So this is the first product. I didn't remember that I also ordered this. I was in a dire need of this eyeliner, and this is from Swiss Beauty eyeliner. This is in a pen form. This is a bold felt tip liner. So this is how the tip of it is, and I think it's a good eyeliner. I will use it, but it's pitch black, and also it's drying fast. So I think it's a good one. Also, it's a smudge proof. No, it is not a smudge proof. Otherwise, it's a good one. Now, this one, I do remember what I got in this. I was so in a need of face mask, that also of like a mud or a clay mask, because I am getting so much of whiteheads. I don't know why, around my cheeks area. Like whenever I wake up in the morning, there is some sort of whiteheads that has come. एक तो नायका की पैकेजिंग बड़ी तगड़ी होती है यार, मतलब खुलती ही नहीं है. You just have to do like so much of cardio to open this Nykaa package. So this is L'Oreal Pure Clay Detoxifying Mask, and it has some Japanese active charcoal and clay. So I got this mask because I was running out of all my face masks. I had one from that Wow range, Wow coffee mask, but it didn't work for me. And then I got this one. I have high hopes from this one. And also I got this one particularly for my whiteheads. Like around my nose, I am getting some whiteheads. Whenever I wake up in the morning, there is some sort of whitehead. So that is why I got this one, and I hope it cleanses my face. And I will share my review, and I will share my experience with you soon about this clay mask in some vlog. Now I got this Faces Canada Splash nail paint. I don't use nail paint that much, and whenever I use, I go for like light shades. But my skin, but on my skin, dark shades are. But on my skin, dark shade looks good. But I don't know how I always get to this pink shade. Like pink is my low. So I was telling that pink is my low-key favorite. This pink is like lot like lavender. Let me show you. टैलेंट देख रहे हो मेरा? उल्टे हाथ से मैंने, जिस लड़की को सीधे हाथ से नेल पेंट लगाने नहीं आती, वो उल्टे हाथ से नेल पेंट लगा रहा है. This is, I have done some hideous job, but this is how it looks. So this is the shade. I got na some product from Amazon, because on Amazon I don't know why, but the prices differ. Like on Amazon it is always sasta for some product. Now the next product is this liquid concealer that I got from Swiss Beauty, and this one in a shade medium beige. I don't know if that is my shade. I don't think so. This is my shade. Like it's too light for me. See? Yeah, it's too light for me. But I got this one for highlighting my under eye. But I think it's also too light for highlighting the eyes. See? This is the shade of the concealer. I think that is also too light for me. So now I can't return this because the date has gone. So I will be keeping it. Next, I got some basic products that I use in my daily. So I got myself the Maybelline Fit Me foundation in the shade 330. So I think this is my perfect shade, because earlier now I was using another shade that is 310, and that was a little bit light for me, but this one is a perfect shade for me, I think so. I also used this one only on my face today. I think it's a good one, and I love this product. Like the best foundation that best foundation that I've used is this one. And if you are beginner and if you want to use any foundation, just go for this one, because it also has SPF 22. That is not very much, but it is something. So go for this one. I also got my holy grail, that is Nivea Protect and Moisture. Now this one is SPF 50 plus, and I use the bottle that is Nivea blue wala, bada wala. Let me show, it is here only. So I always use this one, but for a change I got this one SPF 50 plus, and I use so much of moisture, so I got it in. So this is 125 ml. I will use it, and if it doesn't feel sticky, then I will order the bigger bottle of this one. I got myself the very famous lipstick Nude Nuance from Maybelline, and I'm wearing that only on my lips, but a mix with other lipstick from Maybelline only, because I don't wear one lipstick. But on its own also it's very good. Like there is a shade of pink, like it's a pinkish brown, not a brown, and also it applies very beautifully. It's buttery, it's soft, it's good, very good. मामा से क्या मंगाया मैंने? What is Nykaa doing मामा की पैकेजिंग में? The Dermacoca vitamin C face serum. Anyways, so I got 10% vitamin C serum. I got this one because I have some acne marks, and I don't do anything for it. But some of the acne marks, that is 2 3 acne marks, are very stubborn, and I wanted to use vitamin C, and I wanted to see for myself that what it does to my skin. So I got this vitamin C Dermaco after reading lot of review. This is how it comes. It comes with a dropper. this is the dropper, and this is the vitamin C of Dermaco. I'm gonna use it and let you know my experience, how it does, it perform well or not. Now comes the best part. I got myself my most favorite sunscreen, like the best sunscreen. I can never go back to that Neutrogena sunscreen that used to burn my eyes so much. So this is the best sunscreen you will ever have in your skincare. If you have white cast problem, if you have a stickiness problem, if you have that जलन आँख जलने वाला problem, just go for this baby. Like, it's so good. It's SPF 50 plus cream, PA plus, and it's water resistant formula, and it's UVA and UVB. This one retails for 415, but I'm pretty sure I got this tube for some 250 rupees. And this one is SPF 30 plus gel. So I got this mini pack of gel because I wanted to try it, what is the gel formula and what is the cream formula. But this one, I'm using it for a year now, and it is the best sunscreen I have ever used in my life, and I cannot go back to any of the other sunscreen because this is the best sunscreen. Now I also got this Laneige lip sleeping mask in berry in the beginning of this year, and this sleeping mask is so good. I cannot tell you how good this sleeping mask is. If you have chapped lips, if you have dry lips, if you are suffering from any kind of lip problem, just go for this Laneige lip mask. It's pricey, it's 500, but I wanted to show you that how much, like, I have purchased it in January and how much I have used it till now. This is the quantity that I have used till now. So just go for it. I recommend this to everyone. Like, this is very good, and it will last you for like 3-4 years maybe. So just go for this baby. Without any doubt. So this is all for Nykaa haul, Nykaa plus Amazon haul. And if you want any of this product, just go for it, and I will let you know how this vitamin C performs and how this L'Oreal Glow Clay Mask performs in my upcoming vlogs. I will use it and I will let you know how this works. And that is all for today's haul video, and there is so much of content coming this month. There is so much of content coming this month. So if you want to stay tuned to my content, so there is so much of content coming this month. And if you want to stay tuned with my content, and if you want to have some Christmassy vibes, some cozy Christmas vibes, and just chill with me, please just chill with me. So please subscribe to my channel, and it will mean the world to me. It will be the best gift of this year if you just subscribe to my channel and become the part of a family. So that is all for today. I will see you next time. Bye bye.